Now for the introduction, the communication system are part of our daily life. Help us send the information from one place to another. Think about your phone, the satellite TV or the internet, all of they rely on the signal travel along the distance. In the satellite communication, the signal are sent from the earth to the satellite and then back down again. But as they travel, they get weaker. If they get too weak, the message get lost. That's why the engineer used something called the link budget, a calculation that check if the signal will stay be strong enough when it receive the receiver. In this project, we'll build the link budget calculator using the Matlab graphic using interface or GUI. This tool make easy to enter the value and see the result without doing the math by hand. It the simple and practical way to learn the satellite communication work. Now I want to show the demonstration for our project. First, I will open the project file. After I open it, it will pop up like this. The design view. You can see this is our design. Our team create. They have the frequency and calculation for input. For the output, have the lambda, pet loss, and clear for to clear all the data. And then uh, after for the code view, you can see this all the coding for our calculation when I put the data or the number on on this box. And this coding for when I click the clear, it will clear all the box with the zero number. Next, after I click the run, it will pop up like this. Matlab apps. You can see I put the data like for geo satellite. After I put all the data requirement, I click the calculation and then the calculate will start and the output will show the result after the calculation. Now I will perform a simulation by change one parameter, which is the satellite distance for 3.6 E7 to 4.0 E7. Here, when I click the calculation, the patch loss will change to 196.5. After the increase the distance, we can obvious the patch loss increase. This show that when we propagation the distance become large, the signal experience high free space loss and which affect the overlink performance. Here now I want to show you when I click the clear, the all this will be reset. For conclusion, this MATLAB GUI is successful performance link budget calculation in and allow the user to analyze the effect of the different parameter, especially the distance on the satellite communication performance. Now for discussion, this project shows how the link budget analysis can be used to evaluate performance for the satellite communication system. By using a MATLAB GUI, the calculation become fast and easier and user do not need to manually calculation. For the simulation result, I found that the satellite distance R directly affect free space loss. When the distance increase, the signal spread over the larger area. For example, when I increase the distance for the 36,000 kilometer to 40,000 kilometer, the pace loss increased by 0.9 dB. However, the carrier to noise ratio remaining high. This shows the system stay have enough the antenna gain and the stable noise condition because the bandwidth and the temperature value are not changed. For overall, the result match the theory and provide the link budget calculation work use the Matlab apps design. Now for the conclusion. To wrap up this project success, create a link budget calculator using the Matlab GUI. This is the tool calculate key communication value like the signal strength, path loss, and noise level. It'll help user see how the change thing like distance or antenna power effect in the satellite link. The GUI is the user-friendly, no coding need to make it great for the student and beginner. This project shows why the careful planning is essential in the communication system, especially over long distance like space. While the calculator works well for the basic learning, it could be improved in the future by add the real world factor like the weather or effect or better visual. Overall, this project achieved its goal and serve as useful education tool for the understanding satellite communication. That's all for me. Thank you.